Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Utilization of time. Chapter 2. Value your time. Get connected. Self-awareness. From the time we can read the time, it always feels like it's running away from us. Many of us struggle to wake up early in the morning, then struggle through the daily routine, then through the day to meet the various deadlines and complete all our tasks. However, there are still many of us who seem to breeze through it all, seeing to easily complete many tasks daily. What a multitasker, people say. Is it really achievable? How can all of us properly utilize the time? Knowledge acquisition. All the time, we hear people around us asking us to utilize our time better. Maybe after school and playtime, there isn't enough time to study. Or at times, we find ourselves with a whole free day with nothing to do. This is where utilization of time comes into play. You might or might not like it, but early risers always achieve the most. In the morning, the brain is fresh and you can easily retain information. There are also very few disturbances in the morning. No distractions means you can give full concentration to the task at hand. This means studying early in the morning or working on any task in the morning is the best option as you can concentrate well. The next thing to remember is to prioritize your things well. For example, if you have to study for 3 subjects and have upcoming exams for one of them in the nearest week, it is important to study for the exam paper closer to the date of the exam. Prioritize is to treat something with levels of importance. Some people use a color coding method where they assign a dark color like maybe red to the highest priority and a lighter color like maybe blue or yellow to the lower priority items. This helps to visually segregate the action items, and when you see a red note, you immediately realize that this is a high priority item. Next is to make a to-do list. Keeping things visual and sorted for the day makes it easier to follow through. Plus, after a task is over, there is definitely some satisfaction to strike it off the list. Making a list also helps, since it is highly unlikely that you can forget any task once it's on paper. Daily, there are a number of tasks to keep in mind. There's homework to finish, studies to complete, any extracurricular classes to attend, playtime, spending time with your friends, maybe some volunteer work, any chores around the house, etc. As you grow up, the number of tasks only increases. Making a habit of keeping a to-do list always will help even in later life. You will stay up to date and not forget any appointment or class with this habit. After you make a list, make a time frame for it. This means if you have to help your parents water the plants, set a time frame of 10 or 15 minutes for it. This is to ensure that you do not waste time on unnecessary tasks. Study a particular subject for a stipulated period of time, and you will see that setting a deadline makes it easy to attain the goal of the job. Taking breaks between tasks will refresh you and let you approach the next task with a clear frame of mind. Small breaks will ensure that you are refreshed and happy. Because like we all know, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. And lastly, plan ahead. It's not necessary to make a to-do list every morning when you wake up. Planning ahead keeps you ahead of the game. If you have a plan, your goal is easily achieved. Planning ahead reduces stress and wastage. If you have any upcoming project that you have planned well in advance for, you won't be stuck at the last minute trying to find material, papers, or any other necessary item for it. Planning ahead also makes it easier to break down tasks into smaller, actionable things. For example, if you have a science project about the solar system to make and submit within a week, you can break down this as A. Find all the information related to the solar system. B. Go through the information, cross-check it and reference it if it's correct. C. Make printouts, drawings, or any models that are required. D. Put together everything, the written material, the model, and the presentation. E. One day before the project, give finishing touches, reread the material and prepare for any presentations or questions. F. Final day. Enjoy the completed and perfect project. Following such an approach is always bound to make things seem very smooth. While doing this process, you may have realized that there is something you need more help with, or maybe something that you would like to highlight and showcase. Breaking down the task gives a lot of clarity of thought and action. This allows you to organize and complete the most crucial task first. To-do lists can be used to improve time management because all of your tasks are laid out clearly in advance. You can more easily decide what to do after you complete a task and move on to the next item on the list. To summarize, we can say that proper utilization of time is not just an option but also the necessity of our life and times. It is imperative to learn how to multitask and do it well. Time is precious and it is required that everyone should use it wisely. It can make us more productive every day and help us achieve our goals in life.
Like, share, and subscribe.